everyone, I'm Fidal and today I am in Bangkok, Thailand. I hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to try two very special dishes. One is Pandan Chicken, deep fried Pandan Chicken, and the other one is Pad Choi. So we have reached the spot, so let's give it a try. This place remains packed during the lunchtime, the dinner time. I mean, this is a very famous place in Sukhumvit area. Very hard to get a table and we waited for around like half an hour to get a table. We have placed our order and as you know, Pad Choi is quite famous around the world and most of the Thai restaurants around the world that will be there. And Pandan Chicken, as I have seen that most of the customers here, they have ordered that. Deep fried Pandan Chicken. We got some kind of soy sauce, fish sauce, and we have got some lettuces, cucumber, and this chicken, deep fried chicken has been wrapped with pandan leaves, and we have also got the Pad Choi, the most famous Thai noodle dish. Oh, this is good with the thick noodles, the eggs. Oh, amazing. The chicken. It's well cooked. Oh, I can get a caramel flavor from the noodles. These lettuces are good. Oh. I will need some spices because it is not spicy at all. And some chili vinegar to go. Now yes, now this will be good. Acidity of the vinegar, the sourness and the spices, wow. Now it's perfect. Really delicious. I have tried many authentic Thai dishes, but somehow it got missed and now I'm trying this. Now let's try the Pandan Chicken. Let's unwrap it. Wow. This is an amazing way, no? This is going to be good. It looks so delicious, so colorful, well cooked. Let's dip it here. And in this sauce we have got white sesame seeds also. So let's give it a try. Oh, this is so good. Oh my god. But I would love to taste this sauce. This is a sweet sauce. Kind of tastes like sesame, not soya sauce. It's kind of sweet sauce, but I'm not able to determine what exactly it is. So let's do one thing. Let's add our spices, fish oil vinegar, some chilies, yes, and some extra fish sauce. Sorry, let's mix it well. On this condiment, this sauce is going to be great. Let's dip it here. Oh, this is so great. Oh, I made the table dirty. Amazing, amazing. Some cucumber goes so well, so well. Chicken is so well fried. It's savory, not sweet at all. The sauce is sweet, but this chicken is perfect. I mean, really, it's amazing. It's so tasty, so delicious. Oh my god. Whoa. So good, so good. Must try in Bangkok. Okay. So there was a very hefty meal. The chicken was really delicious. The pad siwi, it was awesome. So the name of the restaurant is Suda Restaurant, S-U-D-A Suda. It's in Sukhumvit, just by the BTS Skytrain. I will share you the link. You can come to this place and try the food here. It's really awesome. Please do like and subscribe if you've not already. I would like to hear from you. So please do comment. I'll be uploading more food videos from Bangkok. So stay tuned. See you in the next video.